The following video will show how to set up, stock, facilitate, and clean up our beverage carts for an event. The carts are to be stocked at all times to reduce the time needed for setup and tear down. Remember, we are using these carts to elevate our service and provide a higher quality product. You are to remain both vigilant and courteous throughout the event. When scheduled for hot beverage cart, follow these steps. Number 1, check the cart for a list and number of items to be kept stocked. For the hot beverages, there will be 3 3-gallon silver coffee urn bases. Then in drawer 1, there should be 3 lidded sternos, 1 box of matches, 30 beverage napkins, 1 mini trash can, 3 touchless adapters, and 3 PIDs. They should be coffee, decaf, and hot water. In drawer 2, you'll find sanitizer, 3 octagonal drip trays, stir sticks, 30 disposable Wildcat coffee cups, and 30 disposable lids. In drawer 3, check for 1 box of gloves, 15 assorted tea bag packets, 15 packets of lemon crystals, 15 honey packets, 30 sugar packets. Each sugar packet should contain 2 sugars, 1 yellow sugar, and 1 pink sugar. 30 individual half and halves, and 6 small silver tea bag holders. Once you have checked all the items, restock any that need. After you have restocked, it's time to move the cart to the designated meeting room. Take the germ buster electrostatic sprayer with you to the room at this time. When moving the cart to room, be careful when turning corners and going through doorways. Ask for help moving the cart if needed. Let's keep these scratch-free. Move cart to assigned position in the room based on BEO. Make sure you lock the wheels. Use the germ buster to sanitize room and cart. Return to the servery while it is drying. Collect the correct number of linens for the tables. Also pick up the plexiglass dividers for each table if they are not already in the room. Make sure you've wiped any fingerprints as needed. Also return to the servery and make beverages. Base the amount of beverages on the number of guests. Make coffee, decaf, and hot water. Put coffee first, decaffeinated coffee second, and the hot water third. Place at each place setting the following: 1 disposable Wildcat coffee cup with a stir stick in it, 1 beverage napkin. On top of that will be 1 of the sugar packet and 2 creamers. Also set next to the cup a disposable lid. At this time, use the germ buster again. Light the sterno under each urn. Make sure the lids are secure. Select 6 teas for the holders. Place a lemon crystal packet and a honey packet in front of each selection. Setup for the hot and cold carts are very similar. When scheduled for a cold beverage cart, follow these steps. Many of these are the same steps as with the hot cart. Check the cart first to make sure the following are stocked. In drawer 1, 30 beverage napkins, 1 ice scoop, 3 touchless dispensers, 3 PIDs, 1 for iced tea and ice water, lemonade, These are always based on the BEO requirements. And lastly, 1 mini trash can. In the second drawer, make sure there is a sanitizer, 3 attachable rectangular drip trays, stir sticks, 30 disposable Wildcat cold cups, 30 disposable lids. In drawer 3, look for 1 box of gloves, 30 sugar packets, 15 packets of lemon crystals. At this point, you should restock anything missing. Move cart to designated meeting room, taking again the germ buster with you. When moving the cart, again, be careful when turning corners and going through doors. Use someone's help the first few times you move the cart to avoid scrapes and nicks. Move cart to assigned position in room based on the BEO or diagram. Lock the wheels. Use the germ buster to sanitize the rooms and cart. Return to servery and collect the correct number of linens for tables. Pick up plexiglass dividers for each table if they're not already in the room. Make sure you've wiped any fingerprints as needed. Return to servery and make beverages or pick them up in the dock servery. Return to room and set tables. Place at each place setting the following: 1 disposable Wildcat cold cup with a stir stick, 1 Beverage napkin with 1 sugar packet with crystals. At this time, use the germ buster again. Leave space for small silver ice bin if it's required on the BEO. Put iced tea first, lemonade second, and water third. Make sure the lids are secure and drip trays attached. Fill small silver ice bin with ice and place on cart with scoop. Review BEO to make sure you have completed the setup to requirements. Take any carts and miscellaneous equipment back to servery. If you are to attend the cart, stay in the room and prepare each guest's beverage as requested. After event, empty cart of cold beverages to the servery, wipe dispensers, and return to storage. Replace any item that has been used on the cart. Wipe all surfaces on each cart and unlock the wheels and return the cart to the area it is being stored. Clean your tables, removing plexiglass and linen, and sanitize once again with the germ buster.